This video covers the installation of an Eco Battery into a EZGO RXV Gen 2 factory lithium cart. The Gen 2 carts have the white Samsung battery. If you have the black battery, you will need the Gen 1 installation video. This installation requires updating your Eco Battery GEN3 BMS to the latest firmware via Bluetooth using the EB Power app. Before you begin your install, turn off your cart and flip the tow run switch to tow mode. Remove seat. Remove battery terminal cables. Connect battery negative cables for easier organization. Remove the battery communication cable. You may need to use a pick to get the clip undone. Remove battery hold-down hardware. Remove factory battery. Remove side panels. So you will need to access under the floor mat to wire the gauge cable. Remove floor mat. Remove pedal cover. Remove dash panel hardware. Remove cup holder hardware. Disconnect factory gauge. Remove factory gauge. Set your gauge cable in the battery box and route it up the dash as shown. Place in your Eco Battery gauge. Install gauge hardware. Connect gauge cables. Reinstall dash panel hardware. Tidy all cabling running up the dash. Reinstall cup holder and cup holder hardware. Reinstall pedal cover. Reinstall floor mat. Reinstall side panels. If you are using a through-hole battery, measure and mark 11.5 inches from the driver's side of the battery tray in the location shown. If you are using a different Eco Battery, all connections are the same. Measure and mark 5 3/4 inches from the front of the battery tray as shown. Your drill spot is right there. Using a 3/8 bit drill your hole. Grab your center rod and screw the nut roughly halfway up the rod. Install rod. Install rod hardware on the bottom of the cart. Drop in your battery. Install battery hold-down hardware. torque to 10 foot-pounds or 120 inch-pounds. Unplug Deutsch connector from charger interlock. Remove charge port bezel. Install EB charge port. Set in and install your EB charger. Connect your charger to the charge port. Remove and discard this part of your charger interlock. Connect the charger interlock to the factory harness interlock. Route your charging leads toward the terminals. Route your charger can toward the terminals. Connect your battery COM 5-pin cable into COM port 2. Locate your A-4136 harness. The ring terminal will go to battery positive. Connect your ring terminal, charging lead, and main battery positive to the positive terminal. Torque to 8 foot-pounds or 96 inch-pounds. Put on positive terminal cover. Connect your negative charging lead and factory negative cables to the negative terminal. Torque to 8 foot-pounds or 96 inch-pounds. Put on negative terminal cover. Connect your A-4136 to the factory harness. Connect your A-4136 to a CAN connection coming from COM port 2. It does not matter which one you plug into. Plug your charger CAN into the other one. Tidy all connections. Put your tow run switch back in run mode. Replace the seat. Ensure your battery is on the latest firmware using the EB Power app. If you have any additional questions, please reach out to our support team. Thank you for supporting Eco Battery.